Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install Consultio WordPress theme. So first of all let me go here, and now if you want to install any WordPress theme then you can go here in themes. So before installing any WordPress theme you can reset your WordPress website using WP Reset plugin. And also you can uninstall WordPress and then reinstall your WordPress, so that fresh WordPress installation is recommended. Okay, now let's go, and now we need to upload theme files. So let me go here, and now we need to extract these files. So I want to use this one. Okay, now file is extracting, and after that here you can see this one is the theme folder. And now we need to install these theme files. So let me go and upload one by one. Let me select this one, and it will take some time. And here you can see theme is installed. So now let me activate, and now we need to install child theme. So again we need to repeat that process. Let me go here and upload the child theme, this one, then install it. And now activate. Now we need to install these plugins, so you can go here, and these are the plugins that need to be installed. Click on install button, then apply. Here you can see all the plugins are installed. So now let's go back and activate these plugins. So first of all I want to activate this one, WooCommerce. And now let me reload this page. So again, now let me activate these plugins. You can also use this one, bulk option, then activate and click on apply button. And now here you can see all the plugins are activated. Now let's change this one, coming soon mode, and now we want to go in live mode. So you can go here, and here you will see coming soon and live mode. So let's change this one, live, then click on save changes. And also you can go in settings, then permalinks. So make sure that you have selected this one, post name. Then you can go to Consultio child, then click on import demo. You can also go to theme options and you can check different settings, but before that I want to import demo. And here you can see these are the different pre-built websites that you can easily install within one click. So if I scroll down, I want to install consultancy layout. So that was a black layout. This one, click on import demo. And when you import any type of WordPress theme content, then previous content will be lost. So make sure that you have created a website backup. You can use all-in-one migration plugin so that you can easily create a website backup. And now here you can see demo content is installing, and this theme comes with all necessary plugins, so you don't need to upload and install any extra plugin. But sometimes if you get error, then you can go and here you will find out plugins folders. So let me go this one. So these are the plugins that are recommended for this theme. So guys, theme demo content is added. Now let's go and visit the website on the front side. And here you can see how it looks on the front side. So it has a professional menu and then top bar, and here you can add your logo files, and this theme is fully compatible with Elementor page builder, so you can go and edit any type of text and images here. So if I scroll down, and here you can check the hover effects, a professional website for the consultancy business. So minimum requirements to install this theme is PHP version should be this one, memory limit, execution time, and max post size. So from here you can check. If I scroll down, and I'm using this one, HostGator, so you can go to cPanel, and here you can search for PHP ini, PHP ini editor, and then you can select any website from here. For example, if I scroll down, so we are using this website 994. Let me select that website, this one, then scroll down. Here you can easily change these values if that are less from this value. Then if sometimes theme is not uploading from WordPress dashboard, then you can go here, cPanel, then you can go to file manager, and now you can go to that particular website, this one, then WP content, and then themes. So now here you can upload theme files, and after uploading you need to right click and then you need to extract that files here.